Hey, if you wonder how you can wear properly your Redmi Watch 4, let me quickly explain. So first of all, you cannot put your Redmi Watch 4 too high on your forearm because when you go like higher next to your elbow, the forearm is thicker than our wrist. So when you put it, for example, right here, we will actually cause our watch to fall. When it actually slips from this place right here, it will actually fall, and therefore the watch will be loosely placed on the wrist. So it will actually swing to the left, to the right, and it may cause it, for example, to measuring our heart rate, calories, or for example the level of the oxygen and the blood incorrectly. You also cannot put it too low, for example, straight into your wrist, because it will actually be, you will be actually not able to easily move your wrist like this, and it will be especially bothersome when you are trying to do some push-ups or any other exercises where you are trying to move your wrist. Next, you have to also remember to do not fasten this strap too tight, because after like few hours of the usage you will actually feel uncomfortable, and you have to just make your you will have to just adjust it, right? So just put it for a few times on your wrist. Try to do some exercises for your wrists. Move it like left, right, up and down, and be sure that your smartwatch is not blocking your wrist and is actually not too high on the forearm. So yeah, that's actually quite obvious, but if you wonder how to do this, that's my advice. And right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.